Menakheim with SEC Inspection Services. Today I'm doing an inspection in Tampa, Florida. And here, what we're looking at here is, a water heater. This is the laundry area. Somebody converted this back porch into a laundry room and relocated the water heater. They did a garage conversion. There's no longer a garage in this house. I didn't find any permits, and with the looks of this, I doubt any was pulled, because this obviously wouldn't pass if they pulled a permit, somebody inspected it. You've got improper plumbing for the laundry area. You can see where they just knocked it out of the hole. The standard is a 2-inch pipe. This is a 1.5-inch pipe. Up here, you have exposed wiring at the water heater. You can't, with wiring, if you can touch it, it's supposed to be in some sort of conduit. And if you look down here, it's starting to rust, and it looks like there's a leak down there. There was a leak in here. And also there's supposed to be a pipe here that extends to the floor, just in case this temperature and pressure relief valve, water comes out of it. So that's just some of the things I found just in the laundry area.